Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I'm gonna show you something. I will advise you not to do this, but I'm gonna show you how to do it anyway. I'm gonna change a breaker out. This one right here is problematic. When it trips, it doesn't show that it's all the way tripped, so it's not a good breaker, although it's working right now. So I'm gonna show you how to do this, but I advise you don't do it because unless you're an electrician or you know a heck of a lot about electricity, you just really shouldn't be messing around taking off this panel. So here we go. I've already got this. All right, this is off right here. I've got this off. This is on. So I'm gonna trip those just so I know which one, because once I take it off, all these words will be gone. Okay, now this is all dead. Up there is alive, so stay away from up there. This is the one I want to replace, so I'm going to disconnect those two red wires. The white one goes on top just so that everything stays the same, circuits inside the house. Okay, I'm gonna gently pry this away from the bus. I'm gonna inspect the bus to make sure that there's no arcing or oxidation or anything like that. So it pushes in right there and it hinges on this side. So I was pointing at the wrong one. Pushes in here and it hinges over here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have to two hands. So I took my screwdriver and I leveraged it about midway so that it will swing, and I didn't damage any of the framing here. So now I've got it loose from that bus. Let me take it out the rest of the way. See, it hooks. It hooks around the other part of the bus. So now I'm going to take a light and inspect. Put that one down there. Let's see if I can put a light on in my... Oh, I can't do it because the camera's in use. Okay, I'm going to shut the camera off for a little bit just so I can use the light on my phone. Okay, everything looks nice and clean. I'm going to put the new one in and connect the two red hot wires. And when you shove it in, make sure you shove it in hard so that it seats in there good. Okay? Well, I had to do it 2 or 3 times, but I got it in finally. You have to make sure that your hingy side is positioned in there just right. And then the clamping of the two contacts in this, it's pretty tight. It wants to be pretty tight. So I'll just put the 2 wires back on. There is actually a torque spec on these, and I think it's 10 or 12 foot-pounds, but what I've read is you get it in, you get it tight, and then you go about a quarter of a turn more, quarter or maybe a third of a turn more, and that's supposed to get them good and tight. So that's in. Turn that breaker back on. Turn the main power back on. Let's see how we go. Yeah, big 200 amp power back on. And that's about it. I'm just going to button this up. That's pretty self-evident. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Be safe. have fun, and like I said, don't do this unless you really know what you're doing. Okay? Bye.